Hello! Are you having trouble finding a company that is reliable and available to help you out when you need it? Our customers have been very happy with our services. Navigating the real estate market can be quite overwhelming. We have been in business for many years and are proud of the high quality service that we offer our customers. We will work with you to find the best options for you based on your budget. We have been in business for many years and are built upon customer satisfaction. We're proud to be the best real estate agency around, and we're committed to having you be satisfied with our services. We take customer satisfaction very seriously. We would love to help you. Isn't it time that you got someone to help you with this? Don't be overwhelmed. Help is here. You can learn more about our services right on this page. We look forward to hearing from you. We would love to share more about how we can help you. We make it easy. We have helped many others greatly improve their situations. You can learn more about our special discounts right on this page. Simply click the link below to learn more.